Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to point you through some of the major talking points and features of this vehicle. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside. Then once we're there, we'll go through just a few of the interior features in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is the 335D M Sport Touring and is presented in the mineral grey. This vehicle has recently come back to us as part exchange and is a definite credit to how well our YNC Mperformance kits really do hold up. Alongside that, we've had the 19-inch 405M style alloy wheels, fully refurbished now in the gloss black, and set against that mineral grey do look extremely well. At the front of the car, you'll see it is a 2015 65 reg. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll be able to see the gloss black mirror caps along with the privacy glass on the rear windows. And straight away, you possibly only need to see it at the rear of the car. The vehicle is also equipped with the Mperformance rear spoiler. Down the side of the car, we have got the satin side vinyls, sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Making our way on to have our first glance at the interior. For this vehicle, you get the very nice coral red Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric lumbar option. Along with the interior trim for this car is the satin aluminum and high gloss black. Now, of course, with it being the touring variant of the 3 Series, we've got a huge amount of space for this vehicle. A 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and again, all in fantastic condition, along with the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. The rear seats in this vehicle look like they've barely even been sat in, which once again is a credit to the previous owner. Again, I'm going to show you off these very nice 19-inch alloy wheels, which again, as I've mentioned, have been professionally refurbished. At the rear, we've got this very nice rear spoiler, which I personally think really finishes off the 3 Series Touring very nicely. Another big feature for this car is we have had the 340i conversion done to the exhaust. So as you can see there, it is predominantly done for the aesthetic purposes, so there is no modifications done to the exhaust noise or performance gains. However, it does finish again the rear end of this vehicle off very nicely. And of course, you've got that automatic opening and closing tailgate and a humongous boot space, along with a huge amount of storage. You also get split folding seats, the factory luggage cover, and as you can see there, the vehicle also comes equipped from BMW with a factory fit dog guard. However, this vehicle does not show signs of anyone having any pets on board. Moving around to the other side of the car, you'll again see just how nicely presented this car is and how well it has been kept by the previous owner. We'll give you one last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside, just to explore the interior features in a bit more detail. So inside this vehicle, we are greeted by the BMW business navigation and media screen, and I will of course start the car up. Currently we're on the multimedia screen, which is just displaying the external devices. So that covers you for the USB input, the Bluetooth audio, and of course your AUX. We've also got DAB, along with regular Bluetooth telephone as well, along with the sat nav, which as you can see there, a very nice user-friendly system. Heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the vehicle service status and service requirements. And of course, being the 335D Touring, we've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is of course paired with that fantastic, very sophisticated Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. So we get the lovely 8-speed flappy paddles situated behind the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, alongside the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all situated on that steering wheel. You'll be able to see there that the vehicle's covered just over 69,000 miles and does also have full BMW service history as well. The next service is not due for 4,000 miles, and its last visit to BMW for a service was at 44018, and this was for a full service including all of the filters. However, it did have a visit after that, I believe was for a brake fluid change, as you can see there. So it has been extremely well kept and had everything done at BMW that it should do. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and hopefully it will help you make an informed purchasing decision on your next car. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and of course website links in the description, where of course you can check this vehicle out in more detail, along with getting in touch with us directly here at Your Next Car. Most of all though guys, we do hope to see yourselves very soon. Thank you, and of course do take care. See you soon. Goodbye.